This is Gemma 4's first impression of the SPF SmartGate and my first impression of the Gemma 4 model, that the AI model that Google just released. I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. I've tried probably 10 or 12 different models in the last week. Mostly the higher end models, you know, and it picked up on the SPF SmartGate really quick, and how it functioned and the features that were built into it. I'm really impressed actually with Gemma 4, especially considering that it's a small context model. Just getting it to do a system check. The built-in transformer is learning. I've got to do a little bit of pruning on the memory to increase the gate alignment. Core architecture and health optimal. The system is operating in max mode with fully functional 5-stage gate pipeline. The gate path validation and complexity scoring are active. So these are multiple layers of security that every tool has to go through. It bottlenecks, goes through the gate, goes through the validator, goes through a formula process, and all the sub-processes and functions, and each one of those layers has to be accepted by whatever command the tool call is pushing through the gateway. If it's not accepted, it gets denied, blocked automatically, and it's built into a binary. So in an MCP server, and those are the only tools available to the agent, so there's no way to bypass it. It's LMDB, so it's really fast at recalling data, because LMDB is super fast. There's multiple partitions of LMDB, because if you didn't know, you can only have one write at a time for LMDB. Anyways, 133,000 memories for the agent state, and actually I was able to get Gemma 4 to boot in where I got cut off with the Claude, ran out of API tokens. I got Gemma 4 to boot into SPF SmartGate and pull the data from the brain, from the instructions I was getting it to write for my network, and I ran out of API tokens as it was writing the text into my sandbox, and Gemma 4 was able to go in, extract that data, or actually it was Qwen 3.6, sorry, went in, extracted the data from the brain system, and is writing the file right now. So the memory in Triad, knowledge, high integrity system, it works extremely well. The redundant memory system is providing high fidelity context, brain semantic. The vector store is active. Like I said, that's got